Hey, welcome everybody. I'm kind of excited for this because this was super unexpected and I wasn't really planning on this unboxing right now or today. That's why I'm kind of like really out of it probably, but this is such an exciting day because it is an unboxing that I don't know that was gonna happen anytime soon because I wasn't planning on anything right now. So this one is just like an impromptu. So it's not in this box, okay? But I am excited to tell you the story of some of the specific things of my choices regarding to bags. Now I have noticed that I've collected a few already that I really like and I'm happy about, and I'm in no rush to getting the other items in my wish list because right now I'm just really enjoying the bags. It feels so different getting real leather bags. It's just different from the PU leather that I've had, but I do still appreciate them. There's still a lot of them in my collection that I still enjoy using, especially on like a really chill occasions because sometimes I don't want to use the real leather bags when I go out at this specific place. But I was so shocked when this was given to me. This was given to me, but technically this was given like, hey, I wanted to give this to you. I wouldn't get a bag like this if it didn't come at a great price. And this just happened like a very unexpected happening, and I was so happy that I have it. I have it now in my collection. It was not something I was ready to add anytime soon, but it just popped there. It was super good of a price and I couldn't say no to it. And plus it was a gift, so I couldn't really say no. It's just like, okay, I'm happy with it, so let's get into the unboxing. I think you guys would figure out why I was like not planning on getting this anytime soon, or I wasn't really getting this for now because I'm really happy with what I have in my collections right now. So let's just get into the unboxing. So it is not here anymore, not in this box anymore. It came in a box, and I will also um I'm not sure if you guys are gonna get it in this price because I just saw it in this price, so I couldn't really say no to it. But I will find similar ones like this that I've tried already in a shop in this item. Hopefully it'll go on sale, but like I said, this was already past that. So when it came out of the box, it's in here. So it is a bigger bag. So it's still a bag that'll fit here. So it is a bigger bag. I don't know if you guys will guess, but go guess down below. I'm kind of excited if you guys could guess. Guess the size and guess the color. So I am very excited about it. So let's just get into it. It came all wrapped like that. Okay, you guys could see already. It is a darker color. It is not what you would expect for me, but it was there. I just had to. It was in the same price for the size of this bag. And it is... ta-da! Okay, so let's just get to properly introducing this. This is a Kelly, of course, Kelly inspired bag in a box leather in noir or black, of course, in silver hardware, size 28. Now, I have already a beautiful bag in size 25 like this, but in gold hardware. It's also box leather. This one was unexpected because, like I said, I really love a box leather. It's such a beautiful color. It's such a beautiful leather. It's a heritage leather, and in it, when colors like vintage colors are produced, they are so beautiful. And I didn't expect to find one for a good price in size 28, and I wanted bigger bags right now in Kelly form, okay? But in Birkin, I think a bit of the smaller sizes, 25, 30, but I'm also enjoying 30 sizes. But this one in 28, I didn't expect it, especially in the price. I would love a size 28 box leather in Rouge H. That would be beautiful. will be stunning and in gold hardware, specifically in size 28 or 32. I would be open for that. But that one is, I think, more impossible to find. But like I said, I didn't expect to find this one. So here is the beautiful baby. As you can see, it really is bigger. But for my frame, I am a 5'5" person. This one is a perfect size for me. It's not too big on me. Some people, it actually is big to them. But for me, no. For size 28, this is a perfect size for me. So I am going to remove everything. So we're going to just flash. Okay, so I removed a lot of the parts already. And this one, I am shook because there is a thicker strap here. I didn't know this, okay? And there's the longer strap. Okay, so the strap, this one is actually thicker, which I'm actually happy with it. So it has a thicker strap compared to my size 25. Of course, it's silver hardware. It doesn't have stickers on the hardwares of the straps, but I'm okay with it. It's, of course, box leather also. And here is the lock, and this is the clochette, which I'm thinking of this one. I might like to hook it, which is, I'm actually will be okay with that. Oh, and the lock actually has stickers. I have to check the other ones if I have stickers on them, but this one has. So here's the strap. But I'm shocked because it has a thicker strap. So I got out the thicker strap. So the thicker strap is going to be a shoulder strap. And okay, it's still box leather, of course. And of course, I think this one will be perfect with this strap, the thicker strap, just because this is a bigger bag, and plus I would want something with a different vibe compared to my 25. So this one is going to be looking like this, and I probably might use this more often than this one. Now the difference is this strap, this is an adjustable strap also, just like the size 25, and I am happy with it. And this one, that's the reason why I wanted a bigger bag on Kelly's right now. Like maybe size 28 might be my smallest. There will be maybe colors that I might like in a size 25, but I really would like sizes 28 and 32, maybe bigger, but maybe until 32 only for now with the Kelly. But yeah, I like it because it's gonna fit an umbrella, and right now it's getting hotter here in the Philippines, and I probably need an umbrella all the time. So here's the bag. It has, of course, these inside is with one pocket and one zipper pocket, and the cute part to this, it has a little lock inside the zipper. I mean, how you unzip it is, the zipper is like a little lock, which just looks like the lock of the Kelly, and it's so cute. So this one is the same as my other box leather bag, and which is, I was honestly shocked because the size 25 that I got, although they said that smaller sizes are more expensive, this one is such a good price for it. It's half when I found it in some other shops that has this one also in box leather. It was half. So this one, I was really shocked. I didn't expect it at all that it's gonna cost that much only. It was such a crazy deal for the price, for this size, and for the leather, because I really can't pass up a leather or a box leather bag. So this is the beautiful baby that I have right now. I am so happy with it. And the best part to this bag is it's a different vibe from my box leather 25 in gold. This one is in silver hardware, so it really brings up a different aspect to the vibe of the bag. And it's in, of course, like I said, silver hardware. I honestly am so in love with it. I can't believe I have this now in my collection. And I also thought about just adding funds to this, to a colored bag that like I said, I wanted to focus on colored bags right now because I really have great neutrals already that I will be able to use around the clock. But this one I really couldn't pass up with the price, with the leather. So I will still be able to use the smaller one, the size 25. That'll be like a perfect evening bag right now, which is, this one is a perfect daily bag. If I'm going to work, to meetings, this is a better size. And it, when I'm going out for longer, this is a really nice size bag. And yeah, I can't really fault this one at all. This is so beautiful. So here it is. And yeah, that's mainly the story of this. I really can't disclose anything because somehow I have some stores that are really more private, but I really wanted to share this. Plus I wanted to share to you guys where this could possibly I could possibly get this. So I will also link it down below. But I really wanted to show you the detail of this beautiful bag. And it's a very big bonus because it has two straps. That's insane for the price. Uh, it is so beautiful. It's so beautiful in this box leather. I have no complaints about it. This is perfect for a more daily use black bag. And like I said, everybody likes black bags. So that's why I also wanted to share this because a lot of people don't like what's this have I mean a lot of people's go-to is a black bag. So it was really great for me to get one with a good size for people that would love to use it in a good price. And yeah, I am so happy with it. I can't believe it. I have a beautiful shoulder strap Kelly bag. See, in my size it's not too big. So that's me and just on this beautiful baby. It's my new bag. I am so happy with it. And yeah, thank you for the people that gave me this. I am so thrilled. It's such a beautiful piece to my collection and I can't wait to wear it with a lot of things. This is perfect for like corporate wear. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Let me know if your guess was correct, if your guess was different, maybe the leather you were different about it or the color. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!